Immerse in the world of gaming, but alas, your motherboard won't turn on. Fear not, for the solution is within reach. Jarvis Mastermind's guide is the key, offering a comprehensive approach to troubleshoot this issue. Start by checking the power connections, and then isolate external components. Experiment with alternative devices, and reseat those RAM modules. Verify your CPU installation, and scrutinize power button and front panel connections. And if you're up for it, dive into advanced techniques with a multimeter and diagnostic software tools. Remember, a systematic approach is key, and if all else fails, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Unlock your gaming power today.